Hey guys, welcome back. Steven. Angie here. So Angie, why don't you give us a very brief introduction of your company?
Yes, please look at here. Like in this wall, there's some brief introduction of our company and our factory. As we just introduced, our factory takes up around 40,000 square meters, and we have over 300 employees. And our products have been sold to over 150 countries and regions, and we have been firmly occupying like over 30% of the market share.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That means every like 3 products of the laser cutting machine, one of them is belong to this company.
Yes, that's true. Yeah.
Really impressive. Yeah, and the 40,000 square meters, 300 people, and more than 150 countries. The target market. Impressive. Yes, very impressive.
Yes.
As for that part, I'm still wondering, or I'm gonna be curious as to like what kind of certificates would you have for them?
Yeah, I think we can start with our awards that we got in our local market. Yeah, these are all the awards we got from our government and the industry association.
Okay.
Yes, so we are very verified or supported by our government or our whole industry. Yes.
Very good. Like in the leading position of the whole industry here.
Yes.
Very cool. What about our partners, like our suppliers, about our clients? Can you do like brief introductions?
Yeah, sure. Please look at here. Here is some of our main suppliers, and I guess some clients are very familiar with this kind of like brands because they are very famous. Like for the laser source, we have the world first laser source brand IPG Laser and the Chinese first brand Ricus, and also the mics. And also for the laser cutting machine, we have the Yaskawa for the servo motor, and we have the SNA for the water chiller, and we have Shandong electric for our electrical components. Yes, and also this Crazy Type. Hanley, very famous.
Even I know some of this company.
Yes,
they're really famous.
Yes, they are not only famous in our like laser cutting machine or laser machines industries. They are famous in many domains.
Exactly. What about our clients? What would we serve, or who do we serve for our work?
Please have a look at here. Here are all famous brands that are and we are cooperating with, and like those kind of manufacturer for auto vehicles and for planes and cars. Even for the Apple, the most famous smartphone brand in the world. We are one of their suppliers.
Okay, I'm actually very curious. Like Apple is manufacturing like phones. I'm Apple fan. This is iPhone. I'm not advertising. This is iPhone. This is my AirPods. So which part do you use? Like, what do you guys contribute to that?
Like you can say for the AirPods, there are some little small holes there on the shell.
You can
and
take a close look here.
Our laser cutting machine can do the very delicate and very accurate cutting on the shell, and also those kind of little marking here backside.
Okay, backside.
Here for the markings, we can do this with our UV laser marking machine. It's very accurate, and very nice marking effect.
Very impressive. Really fresh to know. I'm using something I'm actually using. This feels like it feels good.
Amazing, right?
It feels amazing, right? This is our exhibition hall, right?
Okay. So here.
So these are the certificates. I already saw that. A lot of certificates we have here.
Yeah, here we are going to talk about the certificates we can provide for our foreign clients. Yeah. So please take a look at here. You can see we have got so many certificates, but these are not all of the certificates we have got. We have also many others. Here we just listed those main certificates. Like for the European clients, we can offer the CE and ROHI certificates, and for the American clients, we can offer FDA, and for clients from Korea, Australia, Egypt, we can offer the FTA certificate. And oh, by the way, people from these countries who can get those this FTA certificate, they can enjoy a 100% import tax-free. Yeah, that's a big cost saving.
Of course,
yes.
That's a lot of cost saving.
Yes, and for this SGIs, we are verified manufacturer by Alibaba. They examined all of our machines and we passed all the examination. Yeah, so yeah, I know these certificates are some kind of somehow hard to get, but once you got some high quality machines, it is not hard at all.
Yeah, because I already heard from some of my clients. I used to explore a lot of factories. They told me rush is difficult and expensive to get. Like CE is difficult and expensive to get. This one FDA, the hardest of all, because they have very strict criteria. Yeah. What about you guys? Do you meet with any kind of difficulty when you are getting this kind of verification?
To be honest, we didn't find it hard to get this kind of certificates because I know our machine just did all the jobs they should. Yeah, they should do. So yeah, they got those certificates by themselves.
That's amazing.
Yeah, with their quality.
Good job, huh? Yeah. These are all our certificates here.
Here are the patents. Yeah, we have not only the appearance patent, but also those practical patents because we have also developed some softwares, programs. Yeah.
Good. Really interesting and really impressive, I would say. Mind-blowing. Okay, for our new friends and old friends who just come to our live stream show, we are live streaming from Leapion Company Limited. We're a professional manufacturer of fiber laser cutting machines.
Yes.
So if you are interested in our products or you have any question you would like to know about our company or the products, please feel free
to follow us or to get the product catalog. Yeah.
We'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Okay?
Yes.
Of course, if we have any kind of friends or any kind of question received, please feel free to let us know.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Let's go.
So here,
let's
get to know a little bit about our main parts of the laser cutting machine.
Laser cutting machine.
Yes.
Good.
So yeah, as you can tell from the name, it's a laser cutting machine. So the most essential part should be the laser source.
Exactly.
Yeah, and actually this is the laser source, and it is the most important and the most expensive part of the machine. It can take up 40% of the whole machine's cost. Yeah.
So that's a very important part of the cutting machine.
Yes, it determines the final effect of the cutting, the cutting work. Yeah, so we want to provide our customers with the very good quality and affordable the laser source. So we have been trying very hard to be the exclusive member of the Max China.
So this thing we have to this thing actually generates laser, right?
Yes. It's like the house of the laser.
Like how good it is, like how we measure it, whether it's good or not.
No, we dare to provide a 3-year warranty.
Okay.
You know, that's a very long time actually. The 3 years is almost 1,000 days, and many factories they run their machines like every day of the year. So it's we can guarantee the machine to be good for all the 1,000 days.
Okay.
Yeah. And within the warranty, if the customer meets any like problems or you know have something went wrong, we can provide them a new one for free.
But I have a question. What if your machine just goes wrong and they would need something to replace them? I mean, for the ones who are using your machine must be doing some important jobs, right?
Yes.
What if it just goes wrong? Do you have any kind of measures to prevent this from happening?
Yeah, sure. We know that our clients are running their own business, their own factory. And,
exactly. I think most of them do, right?
Yes, and the laser cutting machine can be a very major machine in their factory. So if it goes wrong, I guess their factory will have a big problem.
Yeah, big loss.
So to avoid this from happening, once they report that their machines have some problems, we will provide a new one for them directly, like at the first place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
So guys, if you are using your machine or you are planning on using our machine and the machine just somehow unfortunately goes wrong, so we will promise you we'll give you a new one for you to use until we fix the old one.
Yes.
But it seldom happens, so you don't have to worry about that. Yes. Very good. So this is actually belong to part of our very good after sales service, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the core part of our products.
Yeah, and here in the surround is also some main parts of the laser cutting machine, like the laser cutting height.
Yeah.
Also laser cutting height.
Very good. I'm saying this label or I'm saying this logo like Max Photonics.
Yeah.
Is that a very famous brand? Or?
Yeah, Max is one of the most famous laser source brand in China.
Okay, no wonder. And so as one of the best ones, we're cooperating with them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool. Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, we're cooperating with one of the best, the top suppliers in China for the laser cutting machines.
Yes.
So if you have any questions, just feel free to drop a comment to let us know, and feel free to follow us by clicking the follow button.
Yeah.
If you would like to know the product information, just very easy press below to get a product catalog.
Yes.
Okay, now let's move forward. Oh, I see that map there. Oh,
yes.
Pretty big one.
Yes, this is very big, and this is our business map.
It's your business map.
Yes.
I think it's the world map.
Yeah, our business is all over the world, so yeah,
That's
the
cool.
world map is our business map. Yeah. So, as you can see, all the countries listed here, we all have the service centers in these countries.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's very spread wide, and and especially in Mexico, Vietnam, and Hungary, we have our very big and formal service centers. So clients in these countries or around these countries can get a more timely after-sales service.
Yeah, very good. That means we have our own people there, engineers, right?
Yes,
and
yes.
the sales service there
Yes,
to offer them. Like usually when the machine goes wrong, how fast can they be there on the spot?
No matter where the client is from, we can offer on-site service like within 48 hours.
Within 48 hours?
Yes.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Chinese speed. Nice.
That's true. Yeah, so here is a more detailed service introduction here, and for the pre-sales we can offer like one-to-one VIP client communication, and we can provide you with the free sample testing. So if you have any needs that of the machine and you want to see the final effect of how it works and how it the final product, you can let us know, and we will do the free sample testing for you. And if you need the sample, you want to see the sample like in your hand, we can send them by mail, like by the FedEx or DHL. It's very fast. It's within 7 days you can receive the sample. And about the payment, we support 30% plus 70% deposit and balance payment. So after the deposit is received, we will start to produce your machine. And after the machine is done, we will film many inspection videos to show you how it works and how is the effect. And you can pay the balance payment when you think everything is ready and everything is satisfactory. Yeah. So after that, we will prepare to ship your machines to your place. Yeah. And about the after-sales services, besides this kind of on-site services, if you have like small problems and you have more urgent needs, we can provide 24/7 services, online services. Yeah, our technicians and engineers will provide any help you need.
Yes, exactly. That's very cool. So we have like the full procedure sales service actually, right?
Yes.
From the pre-sale to the whole production process, from the after-sale services.
Yeah, that's true.
Pretty complete one.
Yeah.